Rattan Power share price targets for 2030, 2035, 2040 are critical for investors planning for the future. Rattan Power Limited, a major participant in the energy market, has been strategically expanding into renewable energy. As investors anticipate possible profits, comprehending Rattan Power's share price goals for 2025, 2030, 2035 and 2040 becomes critical. This article examines the elements impacting Rattan Power's stock performance and forecasts its future growth possibilities. About Rattan Power Limited. Rattan Power Limited, founded with an aim to make a substantial contribution to the energy industry, focuses on renewable energy. The firm is engaged in a variety of power production projects, including solar, wind, and thermal energy. Rattan Power, headquartered in India, is listed on both the Bombay Stock Exchange (BSE) and the National Stock Exchange. Factors influencing Rattan Power share price target. Market demand for renewable energy. Government policies and incentives. Supportive government policies and incentives for renewable energy adoption drive up demand. Environmental concerns, increased awareness and measures to minimize carbon emissions are driving demand for sustainable energy solutions. Technological advancements. Innovation in energy production, continuous advancements in renewable energy technologies. R&D investments, continuous investments in research and development to improve energy and operational efficiency. Financial performance. Sales and profit growth. A consistent increase in sales and profitability boosts investor confidence. Effective cost management strategies boost corporate profitability. Market expansion. Geographic diversification entails expanding into new local and foreign markets. Product line expansion, expanding the portfolio of energy goods and services. Strategic partnerships and collaborations. Industry alliances, collaborations with other industry participants to expand market reach and product offers. Secure government contracts for large-scale renewable energy projects. Rattan Power share price analysis. Rattan Power share price target 2030. Rattan Power share price target for 2030 is expected to be between 37 Indian rupees and 40 Indian rupees. This projection is based on robust market demand, strategic market expansion, and technological advancements. As global focus on renewable energy grows, Rattan Power's innovations and growth strategy are likely to attract significant investor interest. By 2035, Rattan Power share price target is projected to range from 80 Indian rupees to 85 Indian rupees. This growth will be driven by sustained profitability, technological innovations, and global market expansion. Environmental regulations and rising demand for sustainable energy products will further enhance Rattan Power's market value. For 2040, Rattan Power share price target is anticipated to be between 120 Indian rupees and 135 Indian rupees. Strong financial growth, strategic partnerships, and industry leadership will support this increase. Continuous innovation and technology adaptation will ensure competitiveness and long-term value for investors.